Welcome to Breakout EDU, to the future and beyond, a breakout game about addition and subtraction. The story. It is the year 2079. Our flying car has malfunctioned, hyperspeeding through a portal into another galaxy. Before we could fix the problem, the control panel on our car shorted out, causing us to skid and crash on the planet of Marmar. Pieces of our flying car have scattered everywhere. We only have 45 minutes to find all the pieces and get our car back in working order before the portal back to planet Earth closes forever. The lock setup for this game is shown here. 3-digit lock 836, 4-digit 6894, directional lock up, left, down, right, left, ABC multi-lock, the word tires, and the key lock hidden behind or near the Earth sign with the plus on it. Resources you'll need for this game. You'll need all the pieces of the Breakout EDU kit, including the red lens viewer, and something to do with the QR code, either a tablet or a device that can scan. With your invisible ink pen, you're going to write on the cutout tires for the 3-digit lock puzzle the words "only use ones." That way they know they're only going to use the ones digit in the answer. Printouts are shown here. The game overview. In the large breakout box, you're going to place the 321 Blast Back to Earth poster, place the hasp on the box with the word lock, the directional lock, the 4-digit lock, and the key lock. Inside of the small Breakout EDU box, you're going to place the red lens viewer, the number grid for the directional lock, and the letter number code for the word lock. For the 3-digit lock, you'll have cut apart the pieces of the car on the line here and cut out all of the different tires. You're going to hide the tires around the room, but leave the car pieces next to the small Breakout EDU box with the UV flashlight. Once they've matched the numbers to each car, 8, 13, 16, they'll notice that the order for the numbers is going to be the number of stars on the cars. The first number, the second, and the third. Remember, the UV flashlight will show you only to use the ones place number on the second and third car. For the 4-digit lock, place this puzzle somewhere in the room. Students will follow the maze and solve the problems to get the code. So they'll follow along here, 6, 8, 9, and 4 to exit Marmar's space station and unlock that last door. For the directional lock, when students find the directional lock puzzle grid inside of that small breakout box and then find the GPS tracker somewhere hidden in the room, they'll use that grid and tracker to find the corresponding arrows. Starting at the star, they'll add 10 more, they'll add 5 more, they'll take 4 away, they'll take 3 away, and then add 8 more for the arrows up, left, down, right, left. For the word lock, you'll have cut apart all the different word lock puzzles here and place them either on a table or in an envelope hidden around the room. Students will use the number letter code found in the small breakout box to decipher their answers. They'll notice that the words first, second, third, fourth, and last are italicized for the order of the numbers. Notice 20 will be T, 9 for I, 18 is R, 5 is E, and 19 is S for the word tires. For the key lock, you can play 2 different ways. If you choose, you can scan the QR code and use this piece to take you to a Google form where students will solve story problems. Once they complete a problem correctly, they'll get an image of the red lens template. They'll use their red lens decoder to decipher what it says. If you want to play without the QR code and the technology, you can just print out and cut apart the pieces of the words from the red lens template and hide them around the room or place them somewhere near the cutout circular posters that they'll use. Once using the decoder, they'll notice that the words say adding plus is the key. The key will be hidden somewhere near or behind the earth. And once students have unlocked all of the locks, putting their car back together, they can blast back to Earth and escape Planet Marmar. Thanks for playing Breakout EDU.